Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create email group on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your AOL account. Now tap on the two letters on your address bar, then select Request Desktop Website. Once you do that, your screen will look somewhat like this. Now from there, go ahead and look for Contacts option. Now under Contacts, you're gonna have to select Lists. Under List, select Create List. Now type in the group name, then add contact or search for a contact by email, then tap on Save from the bottom right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you create email group on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.